Gee guys, so after I was done, doing my thing, just having fun, making videos and stuff like that, I actually was looking through my closet. I was looking through my closet and guess what I found?
I feel bad lying to her, but I don't want Abby to know her parents are going to be killing people.
You still see me? Hi. Wait, just move over there. What is this jar full of? If you guys diamonds, you are correct. Because you're amazing. Oops, drop me.
You have to go with me.
Not saying you have to do this alone, sweetheart. We're doing it together.
But I'll do the actual plan, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. I'm so glad.
I love this thing. It's so cool.
That'd be the worst.
What if we kill
I think it was like 5 years ago, my mom, she bought us a gumball machine. And I was like, okay, what are we going to use that for? She had bags of gumballs, and I was like, okay, we're probably going to make a gumball machine.
They're shitty too. I'm sorry. It's the hunger talking.
Where are the young single Hitlers?
Speaking of Hitler, your mom called.
But
She says she's
problem is that I don't have any more gumballs. So I filled it up. Oh, back to story time. So she had a bag of gumballs, and it's like, oh, we're gonna get some gumballs, aren't we? So I asked my dad. So my dad said, here's a penny, and we'll test it out if it works. So I got the penny, of course, because I was the youngest. I put it in the little slot right here for it to turn, and it turned, and this is not turning because, of course, it's not big enough. These diamonds are too big. So I twisted the knob and I got a gumball. Of course, my favorite color, it was blue. And I was like, wow, that's really cool. And that's the first time I ever saw the color blue. Like in that color. It was like a really sky blue. It was like a really light blue, and it was like ugly, and I didn't like it, but I like that like tealish blue. So actually, what happened is we'll sit down on a table, and my sister would be like, okay, you have to at least have a quarter to put it in and get a gumball. So I was like, okay, whatever you say. She went to her friend's house, I think it was. Yeah, her friend's house. And I was like, it's my time to shine. So I stuck 15 pennies in the slot, and I started getting like 15 gumballs. I got 15 gumballs. Literally 15 gumballs. I should just turn this video into story time with Sierra. So I'm like, oh my god, the thing didn't even look like it used to. So I was like, oh crap, we have an extra bag of gumballs. I started running into the kitchen, and then I could have reached the tall counter. It was like this high, and it's still this high. And then now I'm like this tall. Of course, over my stove. Stove is right here, and I'm over my stove. So yeah, it's right here, and I'm over here. I'm down here, just right here. I'm like, oh crud, how am I gonna do this? So I got one of my mom's chairs, and I hopped up on the chair, and I opened the cabinet door and got the gumballs. So I got down and I ran back into the living room, got the whole tube, and poured the whole bag of the gumballs inside of it. I knew I was dumb back then, but then my mom's like, we don't have any more gumballs. So let's go fill back up. I'm like,
I don't want to do that.
crap. So I was like, no, let's just go buy some more. It's like, no, we already have another bag. We already have another bag. So what's the point of even doing that? And I'm like, well, I mean, we don't have to use that bag up there. What if we run out of, like, emergency, like, stuff like I'm looking at the gumball machine like, let's just buy another bag. Mom's like, well, I mean, whatever you say, sweetheart. I'm like, okay. So we go to the store and buy the gumballs, and we buy like 600 packs because, my mom's like, we need to get more. We got to stash these in our cabinet. I'm like, okay, whatever you say. And then she was like, well, I mean, you said it, and I guess you were right.
And he took my quesadilla. He drives through dumped me. Sure.
So I'm sorry, okay, Mom, don't
want a taquito. That middle-aged fuckboy. And I left my blue sweater.
So now it's time to do this. Instead of gumball, it's diamond. So look at all the diamonds. Here's all the diamonds I have. They're beautiful, aren't they? I will rule the world. Seems like I get all these diamonds. I mean, like, I'll be rich. So if you take a look at all the diamonds, you'll see that they're all pretty. Yeah, just like. Just kidding. Well, I'm not saying I'm not pretty. I mean, like.
The reason we asked is
Come on, Liam.
so you want to know about crime,
Hold up.
specifically where bad people live. Well, this neighborhood's pretty good. But a pedophile just moved in down the street.
Oh? Pedophiles. Perfect.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got one.
That's just what we need. At least we
These pants are giving me a wedgie. I hate wedgies, they hurt.
So, what's this guy look like?
Okay.
35, Italian.
So, when we take a look, there are so many different colors. We have red,
Don't worry
orange,
about it. All pedophiles are on the register. They're existing.
yellow,
Yeah.
green,
They can
blue, purple, pink, and that's it. And yeah, like so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Deep in his herb garden.
Yeah, so many colors, right?
I'm just losing my mind.
No? Do you ever wonder what it feels like to have yourself covered in diamonds, right? I always actually wonder that.
I mean, we're talking about a guy who's literally the worst person ever.
So today is your day. He's not.
Sex with underage girls. I like the sound of that. Plus, he sells drugs to
I
kids.
actually did a video on this, so if you want to go check that out.
I swear, I had no idea about that when we started doing it. His Instagram is Excuse me, waiter. I'll have that.
So, time to take a dive. Wow, wasn't that fun? To tell you the truth, I did get a skate ring for like the 500th time. For my friend's birthday party, and I think she loved my present.
Cole.
So glad you made it.
Why are you guys dressed like that? I gotta find each other's hair.
No, that is a good explanation.
Actually, we're real estate brokers who have been having trouble selling this place. Eager to make it more appealing, we're repainting the kitchen. I'm doing it. Can I give you a water drink, Cole? Actually, I know.
Tell me what your favorite color is in the comment
You guys
section.
can go out there placing it by.
Section.
I'm in an empty house here in the store and say, hey, there's a truck
It's out of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Those are only your colors. And choose wisely. Now, I'm gonna have to say blue. If any of y'all go with me, I mean, thank you. Thank you. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this story time and kind of video. Hope you enjoyed, like, having some quality time and some diamonds. Hopefully you did, because I kind of wasted, like, $20 on them.
Do you have to wait for her? Absolutely.
I'm just kidding, I didn't just buy these. I actually had them for a really long time because I thought they were pretty cute and they're actually fish diamonds.
Man, she's dated it. This girl I've been seeing told me she's 21.
I'm rich! I'm just kidding. So, like, subscribe, click that notification button if you want to be notified. And if you want to be part of the CC squad. Yeah, watch it till the end of the video and you'll see exactly why I said this. So, as I would like to say, there's a bit of a question. There was a rat. If you go back through the video, there was a purple rat. Which color was it near? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, or pink? Comment your answer down below. It was by the same color twice.
So. How do I get my face in front of a house? Sweet sign. It's a sweet lady.
Hope you like this video. Again, subscribe, like, subscribe, click that button to get notified. And be part of the CC squad. And I'll take you to CC's Pizza. Just kidding. So you guys are great, and I am a jokester. No, I'm not.
What's object work? It's like you're making a fucking sandwich, only it's not really.
No.
Oh, so you're doing
Again.
Because
you guys are great.
he's also bad at
You know you're great, and don't say you're terrible at things because you're not. I actually was terrible at things when I was 4.
So am I? I'm
I
not complaining. I
couldn't
work my
skate
own hours, only see my boss twice a week. It's just not where I
or
saw my
put on a
life.
bracelet. Back to where I was. You know what? Let's just let the pufferfish talk.
It's like my life
This way, puffer.
is a disaster, and there's no way
Sorry.
out. And the worst part is I can't even talk about it.
I'm sorry.
The person I love the most. She'll blame herself, and that's
Click
not
that
what I
button to get notified. Click that button to get notified. You are the best, and see you in the sea. my little friends, because you are my friends, and you will never, ever, ever not be my friends.